Today is a little bit cold outside. It's just 5 a.m. o'clock and everything is perfect. I'm here, and this morning I just want to share you my experience and my opinion about how it's possible to make the balance between your career, first of all, and the second time, your personal project. For me, this year 2022, I have this opportunity to make the balance between my professional life and in the same time to invest on my personal project. It's a very good deal to do with myself, and it's not easy because time is very precious in this century, with people, with family, with your friend, with every people around you, with your colleague at work. If you have deadline, I understand you because it's not easy to plan every activity you have at work to become more productive and to do a smart work. I talked in the previous video how it's very important to make the difference between hard working and how you could become more efficient. It's just about your process of working. Our society, this economic crisis have a big impact on all of the company right now. The reason why a lot of employees are working right now in a stressful environment, a lot of anxiety and negative energy, and it's not good. Being human means you need to live all of experience in the different lapse of time and period, crisis, event significant of history, lockdown, climate, pandemic crisis, economic crisis, social crisis, media crisis, about the Ukraine war, big consequence and impact on all of us right now. I realize a lot of events happened in the same time all over the world. A lot of things change. This century 2022 are very significant for all of us to become your best version you are right now, because I believe in you, I believe in your potential and DNA. And being human, it's not easy to feel negative emotion, live negative experience or positive, and pass by different period of your life. Being human is very significant, and suffering, failures are very good component of your evolution. It's about your process as being human. Being human means you need to live all of this experience and adversity and diversity of this crisis time.